Electronic gates have been installed at the arrival and departure halls of the Kotoka International Airport. With this development, the turnaround time in the verification of travel documents, usually undertaken by immigration officers, will be reduced.
The electronic gate pass is a total integrated e-immigration system that is capable of regulating entry into and exit from Ghana. The gates provide automatic border control solutions and ease workload for immigration by registered travelers. The e-gates allow travelers to use their passports to automatically enter and exit the airport. The main focus of the e-immigration system is the provision of an end-to-end integration of border control operations, permit and visa management systems. The Minister for Communications, Mrs. Eslawusu Ekufu, entreated all stakeholders to engage in extensive public education to encourage the traveling public to use the e-gate.
This new system will be replacing the PISA system, which only does identification. It will do identification, authentication, and verification. It will identify and control the personal information, i.e. the biometric details of every traveler, and compare it with the passport that has already been stored in the system. It will determine if the passport is a genuine or a fake passport, so it will authenticate the travel document as well. And then it verifies whether the human being holding the passport is the one who is actually entitled to use that particular verification system that it does.
The Minister for Aviation, Madam Cecilia Dapa, urged managers of the system to work around the clock to prevent intermittent breakdowns.
If I am registered and I come in once, it's not working, twice it's not working, 3 times, I will abandon it and go through the normal electronic or manual booth. So please, we are all with you. Whatever support you need, we are here to do that, to support you. And in line with government's vision of making Kotoka International Airport the hub of aviation, I think we are on our way to success.
So far, 7 e-gates have been installed at the arrival hall, while 2 are at the departure hall. Further installations will be done at the Terminal 3, which is nearing completion. The Takrade and Tema ports will benefit from this latest technology by the end of this year.